In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Miro work 2026. Step by step. We'll build a clear, repeatable workflow in Miro from start to finish so you can plan, execute, and collaborate with confidence. First, open Miro and create a new board. Give it a name that matches what you're building, like content workflow or client process. Think of this board as your central workspace where every step of your process will live. Before adding anything, define the single goal of this workflow. Decide exactly what process you're mapping, such as a YouTube content pipeline, a client onboarding journey, or a social media posting routine. Keeping the scope to one process prevents clutter and makes the final flow easier to follow and scale. Now start laying out the steps with shapes. Use rectangles for tasks, diamonds for decisions, and circles for the start and end points. A simple example could be start, then idea, script, film, edit, upload, and end. Don't worry about perfection yet. Focus on getting the major milestones on the board. Connect your shapes with arrows to show direction. Make sure every task leads somewhere and decisions route to the correct next step. This is where your diagram turns into an actual flowchart that people can use without asking for clarification. Add details to each step so no one has to guess. Click a shape and note brief instructions, the tools to use, and any deadlines. For example, under Edit Video, you might include the editing app you'll use, and that this is where captions and transitions are added. Keep the text concise but actionable. Use color coding to increase readability at a glance. You can track status with green for completed, yellow for in progress, and red for needs attention, or categorize by phase like blue for planning, purple for production, and orange for publishing. Be consistent so your team understands the legend instantly. If you're working with a team, assign ownership right on the board. Add teammates to specific steps and use comments or tags to clarify responsibilities and handoffs. This is especially useful for virtual assistants or agencies managing recurring workflows. Centralize your resources by attaching files and links to the relevant steps. Add documents, cloud folders, or references so everything people need is just one click away. When your draft is ready, test it end to end. Walk through each step, remove anything unnecessary, and simplify where possible. A strong workflow is simple, clear, and repeatable. Finally, save your system as a reusable template by duplicating the board. That way, you can spin up new projects quickly while maintaining consistency.